Are you lonely out here, Sippy? I see you destroyed the ball. Where's your yellow one? Where's the other one? Huh? What are you doing? What'd you do? Oh, yo, you didn't. I thought that was 2 pieces of the ball. That's the shovel. Alright. You ready? What's that? You gonna go swimming? You gonna go swimming? Oh shoot, where did it go? Spy, come here, baby girl. Ugh. Well, that was an accident. Come here. Spy, come here. Come on, you get out. I'll get it for you. Little otter. Little otter. Okay. You gonna go get it? Okay. Jump, Dipper. Jumpy! Jump! Good girl. No, stay right there. Oh, don't you shake. Don't you shake. No, no, no. Go. No, you can't come over here. Nope. Fine. No, no. Okay, drop it. Okay. You gonna give it to Mama? Woo. Alright, this is it. Last one. You ready? Is that slobber? That's not very pretty. That's not very pretty. Okay. Ready? Good girl. Uh-oh. Okay, I'll be back in a little bit. Right there. Ow! I love you. Be